What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. It's the next day. If you didn't watch yesterday's or the video before, go back and check it out. We go out to Virginia, pick up this fine 57 Chevy, 4-door hardtop. She has a lot of surface rust, but nothing too major. Needs all the typical tri-5 stuff. Bottom of the fenders, these doors has been wrecked. Overall, I mean, it ain't too bad. The rockers ain't too bad. Needs a little bit of patching, like right here. Have most of the chrome. Trunk lid ain't too bad, or deck lid, whatever. I like how they got that lock rigged up on there. But overall, like I said, it ain't bad. The trunk pan is very solid, considering. Even the spare tire well is good. It does need work, don't get me wrong. A lot of work. But it's got a title. That's a big plus. But like I said, overall it ain't too bad. Like I said, this fender's gone too at the bottom, but they do sell just that bottom piece. This side rocker ain't terrible. The bottom of the doors is a little deep, but not bad overall. I tried getting the hood open. It's got a complete drivetrain, but I can't get it open. When it should. But yeah, this is what we're gonna be working on for who knows how long. We was gonna start on the 2-door, but I found this one. It's got a good clean title, pretty complete, and I mean overall pretty solid considering. But basically everything that is missing, I mean it's got some parts back here I haven't went through yet. Yeah, most of the steering column stuff is missing, but I believe that's all right here. And for some reason they took the U-bolt off on this side. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's leaning. That's because they took the bolts off. So I gotta put that back on, pick it back up on the passenger side. With this car, I already got lined up a nice already running engine, ready to drop right in, bolt right up to the Power Glide, and meanwhile, you know, rebuild the original engine and go from there. But I'm gonna try and keep this one as original as possible, kind of make it just more or less a cruiser, you know. I know everybody wants the 2 doors, but I've always liked the 4-door hardtops especially. And like I said, this is gonna be a fun one to build and play with. I look forward to messing with it. The seats ain't terrible. I mean, to some people I guess they're trash, but hey, I'm gonna keep them all original and I'm gonna roll with it. I like the little buttons in the seats. And if it came down to it, I do have some seats that'll probably go right in it over here, red and black, an Oldsmobile, probably the same thing. But yeah, overall, this ain't a bad car. Oh yeah, I think I was going to show you the floor down here. I mean, as you can see, it's solid on the back too. The biggest problems is right down here and right over here is some pretty major stuff right here. So this is going to be the biggest problem, but what we'll do is we'll probably just chop it off up here and put in new metal. Or actually, that's pretty important considering it's the roof line and everything. I may take it down to a buddy of mine, have him do it. Oh, and something happened to the bumper. It's got all dented up, so might need a new front bumper. If any of y'all have any spare parts that'll fit on this, located pretty close, that would be awesome. Another cool thing is this car is factory tint, so that's pretty cool and unique. It's been a Virginia car all of its life, so let me try and get the hood up, show you the hood, or the engine, not the hood, and go from there. Well, got the hood up finally. I had to use a screwdriver. We don't have no hood spring, so I'm having to hold this. But the engine is, I can almost guarantee, locked up. The valve cover's on, carburetor's been off for who knows how long. Probably got bugs living in it. It's all rusted up, so we're gonna put in a new engine. Try not to shut this. Leave that just like so. But yeah, let's start cleaning it out a little bit and see what we find. This is my favorite part about getting in a new old car. Clean it out, finding any old goodies. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, didn't really find anything cool, but did find a lot of chrome pieces. You know, this would go right here. Kind of set those two on there. Just give it a look, you know. Found speaker cover, headlight bezel, both of the mirrors. I found the rear view mirror, glove box, lots of interior pieces, I guess, hopefully everything. Some chrome. We're missing a good bit of chrome though. Got a crap load of rockets, windshield wipers, the chrome that goes around the edge of the hood. Got a few spares of those. Got a hood bar. We got a spare rear bumper. We have a spare front bumper, which we may swap that one on. This piece is very nice. I could probably definitely use that one, but the rest of these are pretty rough, so they would either have to be re-plated or just put away and mess with that another time and just get new stuff. But definitely could probably use that bumper. Yeah, the inside, after removing some parts, you know, revealed a little bit bigger floor problem, but nothing, you know, major. They make that pan right there and you can get it for, I don't know, less than $100 guaranteed. It's very simple to put in. The back seat is dirty, but I hope it'll clean it up pretty decent. We still got a drum and some other parts over here. Overall though, she ain't a bad car, and I'm looking forward to giving her a lot of time and money. Going to concentrate on this one. I've sold off a few of my cars, you know, cars that I got to run and just ain't really wanting to do no more with them. So I got some money to put into it and go ahead and buy out some parts and cleaning out the car for it now. And when I get that cleaned up, we're gonna put her inside and get to work on her. I got some primer, sandpaper. One of the first things I'm gonna do is go ahead and give it a good sanding and put it in some primer, so hopefully we'll stop any rust from continuing to grow, and that way we can get a better look at the car, see any better dents or rust spots, anything that we, you know, need to fix. And, you know, once again, I'm not going to totally restore this car. I'm not putting $50,000 into a car. I mean, I hate to break it to you, but it just ain't happening. So I don't know, we're going to get it, you know, good driver quality, you know, roadworthy and safe. And like I said, I'm going to try and keep it original. It's just something about, you know, a car being original that really appeals to me. So that's the goals with it. Like I said, the engine won't be original, but hopefully we can get the one that's in it rebuilt and eventually get that even back original. So anyways, we're gonna put the Kragers that I have onto it and try and get it where it'll move, because I have the 56 Ford. Hopefully y'all see that. I have it sold, so the guy's coming from Florida to pick it up. So I got to get the 57 out of the way and go from there. But anyways, thank y'all for watching, tuning in to another episode. Be sure to check out the episode before going and getting it. It was fun, and I really had a good time, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all. Be blessed.